This client told me that he has a cigarette burn that he wants me to fix. And this is the cigarette burn he refers to. It's a little bit more than that. Welcome guys, and today we have for you this 2004 F-250. This is the Super Crew, and guys, we are featuring black leather with perforated inserts, black stitching. And guys, this will fit the 2001 to 2007 F-250s. A lot of the F-150s too, guys. Just make an inquiry so we can correct whatever setup that you have. This can fit the Super Cab, the Super Crew, the XL, the XLT, the XTX, the Lariat, the regular cab, guys. Also the Lightning, the Harley Davidson, and the King Ranch. Now, guys, when it comes to the configuration, you might have, like in this case, two buckets with armrest. And you might have also the jump seat in the center. We need to know your configuration so we can send you the right kit. And for the back, guys, is more or less the same. Some of these will have the armrest, some will not. Some will have slight modifications. Maybe you have the split seat, not the 60/40, which is one single piece right here and the long piece over there. So you might have a split buckets, things like that. All that we need to know, guys, so we can send you the right configuration. But this is what we are presenting for you today. And guys, this is not your cheap seat covers that you just slide into their seats that eventually are gonna move and it's gonna be horrible. No. These guys are the real deal. This is real upholstery work, and it works exactly like that, like upholstery. It goes attached to the frame. This you can do yourself. This is a very simple process, guys, for this four. I'll rate this from the scale 1 to 10 in about a 6. Is that simple for this particular vehicle? And guys, this is exactly like the factory intended. This is the same product that we put in dealerships when these were rolling out of the dealer. We're still doing it today for brand new cars. But this is no different, guys. If you have your airbags, the airbags reinforcements will be there. Everything will be to specifications. And guys, this is not your cheap cover. This goes attached to the frame with all the pulls. Everything will be there, just like the factory did it. And if you have in the rear section carpet, it will be there. All the features from the dealer will be there. And obviously, guarantee, guys. You have 3 years, 36,000 miles of guarantee. We are now extending the mileage up to 50,000 or the 3 years. Any of those, guys. Now you can have more guarantee for these things. And in the case of the rear seat, you're gonna have also headrest, because the front is a high back. They're integrated into the covers. And taking it to the next level, guys, you're gonna have the degree system, so you can be cozy in your ride. You can have 3 levels of heating and 3 levels of cooling in one single little switch. All those temperature control features can be yours, guys. You just have to go through the degree system, which is not compatible with the standard kit. It has to be special modifications, like in this one right here. If you see, we have this foam is a reticular foam. It allows the filtration of the air, so the cooling and heating happens. This is our top of the line product, guys. Please inquire about this. But if you are in a budget and this is too much for you, you can just get heaters that will keep you warm in winter and very cozy in your ride, so you are not shivery while you're driving your vehicle, guys. So we have these guys for over 60 different colors, combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycomb, And many other exotic materials also are available, like ostrich, alligator, soy skin, you name it, guys. We have them all at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com. Now, guys, we used to have a kind of catalog, they only cover certain make and models. I can tell you now, guys, that we can do virtually any vehicle that you can think of. We can make it as long as you provide us the patterns. It means the all upholstery, we can reproduce it for you. Obviously, it comes to with a price because we have to pattern all this in the computers. But basically, guys, you have that option now. This is our low-cost product. This is a stock kit. These are very affordable, guys. Mostly all of them go for $12.95. In some cases, we can work with you and make you better prices. Installations runs retails for $18.95. But again, guys, make an inquiry so we can help you with pricing. And if you are one of the lucky ones filling up the form at LeatherTeck.com, you can get access to savings and special pricing that we do during the year, saving you hundreds of dollars in your kits, guys. You just have to go to LeatherTeck.com and fill up that form so you can get those discounts right there. And like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, because we not only do this kind of vehicles, we do all kind of things in LeatherTeck, so you can appreciate the transformations that we do in every single car. You can see techniques and how to do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com or upholsterytechnology.com, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult. So visit LeatherTeck.com, guys, and fill up the contact form so you can get exclusive prices and discounts only available for those in the list. Just visit LeatherTeck.com, and guys, you can text me, put it in the comments, or make a call, make an inquiry, inquire about what is that you really want so we can make it happen for you, guys. All right, so we're gonna have a before and after pictures of this beautiful kit, so you can see that this kit, that it looks like crap right now, is gonna look so beautiful after the installation. You wanna see that transformation, guys, so look forward for that video. And I appreciate you. I want to serve you guys. I wanna do a transformation in your vehicle. Please reach out, fill out the contact form, save hundreds of dollars, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. And guys, it is completed. The cigarette burned seat now is intact. We brought it back to life. And of course, it still have issues in the ceiling, so I think the owner is gonna address that later. We just was request to remove all the burnt stuff. And there you have it, guys. That kit, it looked like crap this morning. Now it looks beautiful once it's installed professionally. And you can achieve this finish also, guys. You just take a little bit more of work. You can do the same. You can have your beautiful double stitch. And guys, you want to do this transformation in your vehicle, visit LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com, so you can order a factory match just like this one, or a special edition or a custom design. We have over 60 different colors and combinations. Everything available at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com, guys. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by upholsterytechnology.com. And guys, we have a form right there. If you fill out the form at LeatherTeck.com, you're gonna be receiving exclusive special prices and discounts only available for those people in the list, because we cannot publish those prices. So be sure that you can visit LeatherTeck.com or upholsterytechnology.com and fill up that form, guys, because you're gonna be saving hundreds of dollars. Like and subscribe, guys, and make an inquiry. We have this available for virtually any vehicle, guys. Over 60 different colors, any car. Just make an inquiry, please. And if you want heaters, cooling and heating, we have all these features, so people don't say, "Oh, I'm gonna be cold, I'm gonna be hot." No, you don't. If you get the system, if not, well, at least you can get a beautiful leather seat that is cleanable and is not horrible like the cloth. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next project. Thank you very much.